So, guys, I want to ask that as per this case study, what I have discussed right now. So, do these rural people need an entrepreneur who can help them to reach to right buyer? Can you justify your answer?
If these rural people need an entrepreneur who can help them to reach the right buyer, because they are producing, these ladies are producing the things and of the good qualities, so they need a entrepreneur who will help them to produce to reach those goods in the market and to get the right revenue.
So, you agree with this?
Yes, I agree.
Anyone else
Okay.
want to say anything?
This one, I'm angry with
This
situation.
The women are really skilled and talented in that area.
Women are so much skilled in our business. So
They know
since
knitting and sewing very well. They know knitting and sewing very well.
yes, sir.
Even they are capable to compete with the designers.
She is capable to. She has
The women are capable of knitting and
and
they are skilled and talented.
Yes, ma'am, I agree with this statement. If they get a right buyer, then because the women are too much skilled, and if they
Now they are dependent on their self-help group. Okay? अगर एक एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वहाँ स्टार्ट होता है तो जो भी वो बना रहे हैं knitting या sewing जो भी वो कर रहे हैं, they will get a right buyer and they the you can say the financial status of
you
those
want to
women are
some
going to
revenue
enhance.
and enhance their business.
Yes. Okay. Now Ravi, explain this.
So, thank you everyone for giving your right answer. So, here the question I repeat that do these rural people need an entrepreneur? Yes, the quality of knitting and sewing was world class. So, but they were not coming on a limelight or they were lack of investment. So, if an entrepreneur invests and by taking some risk and by using their skills, then they will definitely sell this low cost. Means they can buy this knitting and sewing products very cheaply and sell at higher prices, so that it will be profitable business for them. So who can help them? Obviously the right buyer and entrepreneur who are situated in the adjacent towns can go and can invest, can recognize them. So my next question was that what are the other business options available which these villagers can do when they are not doing activities related to agriculture? Can anyone give answer? They can do agro based. Obviously agro based means whatever they can have fertilizers. They can use business of fertilizers. They can have seed businesses. They can have other businesses which is related to, which are byproducts to agriculture. Which are byproducts to agriculture. They can also establish some off-season micro-level industry, means micro-level industry they can use, and they can operate this industry and they can attract investors and show their skills as women have shown their skills by sewing, by knitting. They can also have different skills, so they can show, and investment can also be augmented in the particular area.
So the answer is there. Okay guys. The next question, question number 2. Okay. So you can see here they can start mineral based such as gas based mini hydrocarbon plants. Okay. Marine based such as the growing of aquaculture in the sea coast. Forest based such as many units of wood industry they can start at micro level. Animal based such as meat, leather and dairy activities. They can start poultry farm. There are other options also available in the village, just seed processing and marketing, then food industry and gardening, mushroom production, which is known as the organic production of fruits and vegetables, sugar, gold, nursery, then tobacco, cigarette, bidi, shoes, leather for making irrigation, leather bags and papers. These industry could be started, okay? And you can see here the you can say bamboo working, wheat, flour, polished rice. These are the cardboard, pencil, pen, ink, bucket. So these are the option also available for them. The other options, because the people of that village are skilled and talented. Okay, so they can utilize their skill or talent in off season by starting these kind of you can say the businesses. Fisheries is here, animal husbandry is there, bamboo working, and you can say the cardboard, pencil, pen, ink, bucket, fruit juices, bricks, okay, tiles, khadi, handloom clothes. They can go for these businesses at micro levels. बहुत कम फाइनेंस में आप ये सारे बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. So these are the other options available for them.